Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on Adobe Aero. So in this particular lesson, let's see what we want to do. So in this lesson, we want to see the file format supported by Adobe Aero. Okay, so it's very good to know the file format that's supported by Adobe Aero, and then it's clearly stated on their page, as you see here from this link. Okay, so these are the file formats for 2D images, and then these are for audio files. And then for 3D formats, we have these GLB files. You can also upload archives files of your 3D models as shown here. Then these are some limitations. Okay, I wouldn't take us through that. Okay, so basically these are the file formats supported by Adobe Aero. Then let's look at your system requirements. Okay, so with the system requirements, um, these are the system requirements for desktop applications, as you see here. Okay, so I'm not going to take us through. You'd have to visit it to get to know about these. Okay, so just make sure your device is compatible. It has this RAM size, and then you can see the recommended and then the minimum. Okay, so just make sure the device supports this, and then you should have a good experience. Okay, so this for Mac PCs. Then some other requirements are here, especially this particular one. So this particular one. And then these are the supported languages. And then also kindly take note of these ones. Now, also Adobe Aero comes with some mobile system requirements. Okay, so to be able to experience your Aero project, your device must support AR core and then some other functions as you see here, or some other APIs or application like softwares requirements. Okay, so these are the requirements, minimum requirements for Aero for iOS. That's the mobile. Okay. Then for iOS devices, okay, you can see here iPad, that's the iPad. And we have that of Android. So Android, your device must have AR core to be able to support the AR experience. Okay, so you can see we have here Android 11 and above. Okay, and then some internet connections when testing it. Uh, so the Aero player, let's see the Aero player. Okay, so this is an example of the Aero player. So if your device isn't supporting this in the Adobe Aero, some devices gives you the Aero player to be able to launch it using the Aero player. So this is an example of the Aero player using I'm using. Okay, so this was an iOS device. Okay, so when you share the link, you click and then you can see it will launch the interface. The person needs to log in or register or something. Let me see from the beginning. So once you click on the link, okay, then it opens. Yeah, then you can experience the. So it will allow you. It will give you the process or the procedures, okay, to be able to experience it. Okay, so basically these are the mobile requirements for you to be able to experience your AR projects in Adobe Aero. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.